These used to be white. Now they look like they've been dipped in nacho cheese. But what if I told you could bring them back to life? No fancy machines, no Apple Store trips, just things lying around your house. Your AirPods are gross. No, really. Studies show that earbuds are dirtier than a toilet seat. Now imagine putting that back in your ears every single day. Apple doesn't want you to clean them this way. They'll tell you to gently wipe with a cloth and call it a day. But here's the thing. They're not going to tell you how to actually restore that showroom shine. YouTubers might show you a 30-second tip and disappear. But this video, it's your ultimate AirPods transformation guide. Why do AirPods turn yellow in the first place? AirPods are made of a glossy plastic called polycarbonate. It looks slick, feels premium, but it's got a big weakness: UV light and oils. Every time you walk outside wearing your AirPods, every time your hand touches them after eating chips, every second they're sitting on your dusty desk, they're being slowly attacked by skin oils, sweat acids, sunlight, pocket lint, even pollution in the air. And boom, in just a few weeks, that white starts to fade. In 6 months, full-on yellow mode. Can't I just use alcohol and a Q-tip? You can rub alcohol and clean the surface, but that's like putting perfume on a sweaty gym sock. We're talking about deep restoration, removing grime that's inside speaker holes, trapped in seams, stuck in hinge cracks, and layered under years of oil. We're going to show you the tools you actually need and why some are damaging the safe way to clean speaker mesh and improve sound quality. How to whiten the AirPods case without bleach or paint. Pro-level methods that reverse yellowing using science. A 2-minute weekly routine to keep them spotless. Bonus: what not to do. Yes, we tested TikTok hacks so you don't have to. Quick question: how long have you had your current pair of AirPods? This helps build community. Fun fact: what does Apple recommend? Apple says, use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. Do not use sharp objects or abrasive materials. Translation: don't sue us if you stab your speaker. What you'll need. Here's a sneak peek of the cleaning Avengers we'll be using. Isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%. Q-tips and toothpicks. Yes, we'll explain the safe way. A microfiber cloth. A soft bristle brush, not your toothbrush, please. Patience. Trust me, it's worth it. Your AirPods deserve this. You paid $100 plus for them. You use them daily. They're inside your ears. Why wouldn't you treat them like the tech royalty they are? By the time you're done with this video, your AirPods will be cleaner, your sound will be better. How to clean the case without damaging it. Your AirPods case gets just as gross, but it's plastic, not mesh, so the cleaning method changes. Use a damp microfiber cloth with a little alcohol to wipe outside. Use a dry Q-tip to clean charging ports. Don't soak or spray liquid inside the case. That kills electronics. Cleaning the AirPods mesh. This is the trickiest part. Use a dry Q-tip to gently brush the mesh surface. For wax, use a small piece of blue tack. Press on the mesh, then pull off dirt. If wax is stuck in the grooves, carefully use a toothpick, but only on the edges. Weekly 2-minute routine. Wipe case and AirPods with microfiber cloth. Use dry Q-tip on mesh. Consistency keeps yellowing and grime away. Step-by-step deep cleaning guide to restore your AirPods' white shine. Now that you've got the right tools, it's time to get hands-on and bring your AirPods back from the yellow abyss. Follow these exact steps. No shortcuts, no hacks that break your buds. Step 1. Power down and prepare your workspace. Remove AirPods from your ears and case power-off devices connected to your AirPods to avoid accidental inputs. Lay a clean microfiber cloth on your workspace. Wash your hands thoroughly to avoid transferring more oils. Step 2. Clean the charging case exterior. Take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe the case surface gently to remove dust. Lightly dampen the cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the entire outside of the case, paying extra attention to yellowed areas. For stubborn stains, test a small spot with a magic eraser. Don't rub hard. Avoid any moisture near the charging ports. Never spray or pour liquid inside. Step 3. Clean the charging ports. Use a dry Q-tip or toothpick carefully to remove dirt and lint from charging ports. Avoid poking too deep or using metal tools that might damage contacts. After removing visible debris, gently wipe the port area with a slightly alcohol-dampened Q-tip. Step 4. Clean the AirPods exterior. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the AirPods plastic surfaces. Dampen the cloth lightly with isopropyl alcohol for areas with grime. For yellowed spots, rub gently in a circular motion to lift surface dirt. Be extra cautious around microphones and sensors. Don't scrub or push moisture in. Step 5. Clean the mesh speaker grills. Use a dry, clean Q-tip to gently brush the mesh and remove surface dust. Press a small piece of blue tack on the mesh, hold for 5 seconds, then peel off slowly. Repeat with fresh blue tack pieces until no dirt lifts off. For stubborn wax stuck in edges, carefully use a toothpick, only on mesh borders. Step 6, optional. Deep clean with ultrasonic cleaner, if available. Place AirPods, without case, in an ultrasonic cleaning device for 3 to 5 minutes. This removes deeply embedded dirt and wax. Make sure the device is safe for electronics and follow manufacturer instructions. Warning: don't put charging case or AirPods in water directly. Step 7. Dry and inspect. Allow AirPods and case to air. Dry fully before reconnecting or charging. Inspect for any remaining yellow spots or dirt. Repeat cleaning steps if necessary, but avoid overcleaning to prevent wear. Step 8. Final polish. Use a dry microfiber cloth for a final polish. This removes streaks and restores shine. Admire your almost new AirPods. Step 9. Maintain the shine. Daily habits. Wipe your AirPods and case weekly with a microfiber cloth. Store them in a clean, dry place away from sunlight. Avoid touching them with dirty or oily hands. Use a UV sanitizer once a month for extra freshness. Step 10. When to consider replacement. Sometimes, despite all cleaning, deep oxidation or physical damage makes yellowing permanent. Signs: it's time for a new pair. Persistent yellowing despite cleaning cracks or damaged mesh. Audio distortion after cleaning. Charging problems due to corrosion. Warning: what not to do during cleaning. Don't soak your AirPods or case in any liquid. Avoid metal or sharp tools near the mesh or charging ports. Don't use household cleaners or toothpaste. Don't use harsh scrubbing motions on plastic surfaces. Pro whitening hacks and ultimate care tips to keep your AirPods bright. You've cleaned them, you've disinfected. But what if your AirPods are still yellowed or stained? Time to bring out the big guns. Whitening hacks that actually work. Hack 1. The baking soda paste. Magic mix. Baking soda with a tiny bit of water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste gently on yellowed areas with a soft toothbrush or cloth. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Baking soda's mild abrasiveness lifts stains. Without scratching, rinse carefully by wiping with a damp microfiber cloth. Avoid soaking. Dry fully and polish with microfiber cloth. Don't scrub aggressively. Baking soda can wear down plastic if used too hard. Hack 2. Hydrogen peroxide. Use 3% hydrogen peroxide, the kind sold in drugstores. Dip a cotton swab lightly and apply to yellow spots. Let it sit for 15 minutes under indirect sunlight. Peroxide oxidizes yellowing stains. Wipe clean with a damp microfiber cloth. Repeat weekly for stubborn stains. Avoid long exposure. Hydrogen peroxide can weaken plastic if overused. Hack 3. UV light treatment for whitening. UV light breaks down yellowing caused by sun damage and oxidation. Regular UV treatment can gradually brighten your AirPods surface. Hack 4. Toothpaste. Use only non-abrasive types. Use a whitening toothpaste without harsh abrasives. Apply a small amount to a damp microfiber cloth. Rub gently in circular motions on yellowed parts. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry immediately. Avoid these whitening myths. Bleach causes irreversible damage. Magic, eraser overuse, wears away protective coatings. Sunbathing your AirPods. UV can whiten, but also damage batteries and plastic if unmonitored nail polish remover. Dissolves plastics. Daily care tips to prevent yellowing. Always store AirPods in their case when not in use. Keep hands clean and dry before handling. Wipe your AirPods weekly with a microfiber cloth. Avoid exposing them to sweat, lotions, or perfumes. Use UV sanitizers monthly to reduce bacteria buildup. Make your AirPods shine, like new. Your AirPods are more than just audio devices. They're style statements. Keep them clean, white, and fresh with these expert hacks and care tips. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech care tips, and share your AirPods cleaning wins in the comments. See you in the next video.